Hey there, future engineers. Ready to dive into an amazing project? Let's see how to make a balloon-powered car. Step 1. Grab some cardboard and cut out a long rectangle. This is your car's sturdy base. Let's make it strong. Step 2. Now find 2 straws. These are the axles that'll let your car wheels spin smoothly. Ready for the next part? Tape the straws under your chassis, one at the front and one at the back. Be sure they're straight, like train tracks. Step 3. Grab 4 bottle caps and poke holes in their centers. These will be your car's speedy wheels. Slide those caps onto the ends of your straws. Tape or glue them if needed. Give them a spin. Do they roll smoothly? Step 4. Here comes the fun part. Grab a balloon. We'll turn it into the engine of our car. Let's open it up. Tape the neck of the balloon to the top of your car, making sure it points backward. This is where the magic happens. Step 5. Blow up that balloon and pinch the end shut. Can you feel the energy building up inside? Let's get ready. Place your car on a smooth surface. Get set. It's almost time to launch. Hold that breath for the countdown. Now here comes the fun. 3, 2, 1, release. Let's see that balloon work its magic. Whoosh. Look at that car zoom forward. The air rushing out pushes it just like a rocket. Isn't that cool? Wow, that little balloon proved us wrong. You just built a working machine. That's Newton's third law at work. Your balloon-powered car is a success. Give yourself a high five for making science happen right in your hands. What other clever science projects can you create? Let your imagination run wild. Science is everywhere. Keep experimenting and exploring. You never know what incredible inventions you'll come up with next.